So hello friends, today I am going to talk about some basic concepts like refresh on a computer, browser refresh, which are of two types, normal refresh and hard refresh, and the folders, temporary folders, which are present in the Windows, Microsoft Windows operating system, temp and percentage. And a very amazing concept, fast startup which was introduced in Windows 8 and it is kept going on later on versions of Windows also. So first of all, I want to start with refresh on a computer. So there is a myth about refresh on a computer that hey bro, I am refreshing my desktop, my folder. It means that my system is going to be fast or my system going to be fixed. The performance is going to be speed up, but it does not work like that. Refresh. I will use my notes to uh, tell you all about this. So refreshing your desktop does not make the computer faster. It's like straightening up your desk. It just updates the view of your icons and files so they show up correctly. What does that mean? It means that your desktop is not going to be fast, and straightening up your desk means it will just reformat the system. Like if there is something change in the files, there is something change in the icons, but it does not reorder or rearrange anything. It just do this for you, like changing in uh, image of icon has happened. So if you refresh, this will automatically correct if it is not corrected and something like that, and it does not fix or speed up the system. Now we will go to browser refresh. So browser refresh are of two types, normal refresh and hard refresh. It is done for web pages. So normal refresh reloads the web page to show the latest content. It is done through CTRL plus R key or reload option in your browser. And hard refresh is also the same concept, but there is some temporary stored memory for applications that is known as cached memory. Sometimes the web page is not allowed to read the actual when we are loading. It is not allowed to use the actual memory. It reads from temporary stored memory, and sometimes it leads to display wrong things or does not display the things properly. So hard refresh forces the browser to ignore cache memory and reload everything from scratch. This can help if a browser isn't displaying correctly. It is done by the key CTRL plus Shift plus R. So next, there are two folders, temp and percentage. Temp percentage. These are temporary folders. I can show you how to go there by pressing Windows plus R key. So first of all, we were going to temp. You have to type temp here, then enter. So this is the folder, and there are two folders. This is for main system, Windows system. This is the temp folder for Windows, which is common for all users. And percentage temp percentage is a folder which is for users, and each user have a special folder. See, it is stored in the users folder. And now when to delete it, when not to delete it. These are places where a computer stores temporary files, and deleting these files every once in a while is fine. But if you delete it too often, it might mess up running apps or programs because the programs and application uh, they create some temporary files to for their proper working, like in browser also web pages stored their temporary memory, cache memory, something like that happens in application. It stores them but according to the priority in temp folder and percentage folder. So if you delete it too often, it might mess up your system, and it won't free up much space because if you do it in a month or weeks, it may bulk up and the memory is too high. But if it is not more than 100 MB, 200 MB, like it is not in GBs that you not need to delete it because it won't free up much space and it's going to make it is not going to make your system run any faster. And in nowadays we use SSD, so it does not need to be done because SSD can take load of memory also. But yeah, if it is too much, like in GBs, then you have to do it. Now we are going to the fast startup option. That first startup concept that I want to talk about. If you see this in YouTube or anywhere, there are very mis and wrong information about this. That hey, fast startup is not good. It is like that. It is like that. First of all, what is faster? Fast startup helps your computer start faster by saving the stuff when you shut down. What does it mean saving some stuff when you shut down? It means that it saves some information, some data from kernel that is a part of the system, and some information and data of drivers, and some other temporary information data into your secondary memory SSD in nowadays, or maybe a hard disk if you are using it. So if your light is blinking on your computer when you shut it down, don't cut the power and turn it off because it is doing some work in the background, and if you interrupt it you can mess things up like corrupt files or core boot problems. Yeah, in modern system it does not uh, can damage much, but if you know that this is the concept and this should happen properly, so why to interrupt it? It will take you 10 seconds to do this process. And now there's also a thing which I want to show, that many people, many YouTubers show it very in a wrong way. They does not know any concept. They just want to be like they are very intelligent. So when you go to task manager in performance section in CPU section, the uptime is very high, right? Wait a minute. I think I have closed. So the uptime is very high. Why it is like that? Because the system is not starting from scratch. It is loading from where it has left. So the time is also started where it has left. But if you restart your system, you done some updates, then it might boot up from scratch only, because in restart fast data does not happen, and if you something goes wrong with the system, that might it will reset, but otherwise it will not. And this is not a problem. People say that your system is running in background. It is not running in background. This is a time where you left and it is a time where you continued, and it does not get updated since I have told you it does not start from the scratch. Your system does not start from the scratch. If you disable the option of fast data, you will notice that the system is booting very slow. And why to do that? Microsoft has given this option for your benefit. Microsoft is not stupid, and people want to show off that you know many things and just making videos. And I have seen all videos in general. Maybe there is some new video, I don't know, but all videos in general are saying the same stuff in a very wrong way. Yes, I have told how they actually say. So here we go. Thanks for all of this. And yeah, maybe this run is not visible to you because of my video. So this is the thing. Temp, enter, percentage temp, enter. By pressing Windows plus R, this run will uh, automatically uh, pops up. So here we go. So मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट नए वीडियो में. We will meet in some another day with some new video. So keep watching, keep running.